Hello, friend. Before I get started, I'd like to take a moment to say hello to the new viewers. And if you visited me before, welcome back. And another big thank you for all of you who like and comment. I do have a small request. It would really help me out if you subscribed. But either way, I'm so glad you're here. Do you believe that God is with you even when you are facing your most severe hardship? I think about Joseph and what it must have been like to be betrayed by his own brothers, to be sold into slavery, to be falsely accused of committing adultery, then thrown into prison when he'd done nothing wrong. In Genesis chapter 39, verse 2, it says, "The Lord was with Joseph." Friends, just like God was with Joseph, He's with you. God is watching over you, and He sees everything that you're going through, even when life has you so weighed down that you feel broken. Brothers and sisters, I'm here to tell you that God is not just the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, but He is your God. When you're waiting for that breakthrough, He is your deliverer. When your refrigerator is looking bare, He is your provider. When you're praying for direction, guidance, believing that a door will open, He is your waymaker, and He will make all of your crooked paths straight. When you don't feel safe, it's His mighty hands of protection that are over you and over your family. While you're in your homes and in your cars, that is who He is. When your faith is tested, instead of turning away from God, turn to Him instead. God is such an amazing Father, and He can turn your trials into triumphs. You just have to have faith, because God can and will lead you out of the wilderness. You know, this was such a beautiful day at the park. I had so much fun just walking around and enjoying nature and all of the beautiful colors all around me. I think this little guy was more curious about me than I was about him. Now, I know that I've shown this empty room footage already, but it's just to give you an idea of what it looked like before. As you can see, this living room is very small, and I should probably mention that it is by no means finished. In fact, this whole apartment is a work in progress. So yeah, there are quite a few things I would still like to accomplish at some point when the budget allows. But today, I'm going to just be working on the media center. So this is the media center that I bought when you all went shopping with me at IKEA. For whatever reason, a lot of the furniture these days is so much smaller than it used to be. So I bought 3 of these cabinets, and the plan was to use it as a media center by making it look like one unit. This works perfect, not to mention that doing it this way was more affordable. This Blu-ray player has been broken for probably months now, and I'm not sure why I haven't thrown it out yet, but there is no better time than the present. I know a lot of people are streaming movies these days, but I will probably just get a new Blu-ray player. I stopped by the bakery that's in the grocery store, and basically I was looking for some kind of autumn cookie. These apple cookies, which I actually thought were really cute, it was actually all they had. And it could be that there were other autumn cookies available earlier in the day. I don't know, I didn't ask, but I did choose 3 of these cookies. So I do want to show you how easy it is to make a vanilla honey London fog. This is also a good drink for the non-coffee lovers out there. So the first thing is to drizzle a little honey in your mug. Then add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and use 1 Earl Grey tea bag. You'll want to fill your mug about halfway with boiling water. Then steep this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then top it off with some frothed milk. It's that simple. Let me know in the comments if you try it. Hey, thanks for watching, and I pray that you have a wonderful, blessed Thanksgiving.